I wanted to complete a master's degree. I needed a program designed for manufacturing professionals.
I wanted to advance my career.
The Master of Science program in Manufacturing Systems Technology at Jacksonville State University is designed to prepare technical professionals for effective leadership roles in manufacturing.
This degree is very practical. The concepts can be directly applied to solve real-world manufacturing issues.
This 100% online and fully accredited program requires just 30 semester hours of graduate-level coursework.
The degree is a perfect hybrid of business and technical courses.
The program is very dynamic. It uses innovative teaching methods to keep students engaged and interacting with each other.
The Manufacturing Systems Technology program was excellent and helped me to develop the skills needed in my career.
Students choose electives to customize the degree according to their career goals. The program is a great value and designed with adult learners in mind. Ready to position yourself for accelerated career growth as a technical leader in your organization? Visit jsu.edu/applied engineering for more information.